Best Buy was the top performing stock on the S&P 500 today. Shares rose more than 19%, its best day in years. Investors were encouraged by the retailer's strong quarter, which topped earnings expectations on stronger than expected revenue. And Best Buy is growing sales online, an area dominated, of course, by Amazon. Courtney Reagan has more.
Best Buy may be the last big consumer electronics retailer standing, and it's standing strong. While data from the U.S. Commerce Department showed a 4% decline in sales at consumer electronics stores in the quarter, Best Buy's consumer electronics division performed exactly the opposite, growing 4%. The category makes up a third of Best Buy's total sales. Best Buy's online sales grew by nearly a quarter, with traffic and the rate of those making a purchase both higher, leading many to wonder if Best Buy and Amazon can coexist, both growing market share.
I think the old saying that Best Buy is losing share to Amazon is just outdated. They're at least maintaining or gaining share in the industry, and our broader concern is just on the overall product cycle backdrop, which remains a bit tepid.
The retailer says tablet and smartphone sales have been hurt by lack of new products, but sales are now, quote, less bad. But its consumers' continued investment in big home upgrades, like home theater and new appliances, are really making a difference. Sales of appliances like refrigerators or washing machines grew 8% in the quarter, marking the retailer's 23rd consecutive quarter of growth. 4K TVs have been another important sales driver for Best Buy, but as prices continue to fall, down about 30% in a year, some analysts think discount retailers could become a bigger destination for the product than Best Buy, which currently has 115 different models.
As you get below $1,000 in 4K, Walmart becomes a lot more relevant in the category, and we think they will be a lot more competitive this holiday season. Although when you look at the results for Q2, you certainly have to credit Best Buy that they look like they're continuing to take share in TVs, and in the near term, there's probably no stoppage in that dynamic.
Many think experiencing the big ticket items in store makes a big difference.
This company has proven that they can still remain relevant in televisions and selling 4K TVs and selling it as a complete package with a home theater system and presenting that in a shop-in-shop way where the consumer can have a lot of experience, discussions with people who know what they're talking about how they want to set that up in their house.
McClintock thinks Best Buy store demos and service give it a stronger edge than price wars, which is what we're going to see a lot more of this holiday season. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.